In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply sumif and averageif formula in Microsoft Excel. These two functions are very useful when you want to analyze data based on a specific condition. The sumif function adds values that meet a certain condition, while the averageif function calculates the average of values that meet that same kind of condition. In simple terms, they help you work with only the data you care about instead of calculating everything in the table. To begin, enter your data into Excel. In this example, the worksheet includes categories and sales values. Once your data is in place, you're ready to use the formulas. First, let's use the sumif function to calculate the total sales for electronics. Click on an empty cell, for example E2. This is where the result will appear. Then type this formula exactly as shown. Equals sumif, open parenthesis, B2 colon, B6 comma quotation mark, electronics, quotation mark, comma, C2 colon us, close parenthesis. This formula tells Excel to look through the range B2 to B6 for the word electronics. Whenever Excel finds that category, it adds the corresponding value from the range C2 to C6. After typing the formula, press enter. The result is 85,000. Now let's move on to the averageif function. This time, we want to calculate the average sales for furniture. Click another empty cell, such as E3, so your new result appears separately from the first one. Then type this formula, equals average, if, open parenthesis, B2 colon B6 comma quotation mark, furniture, quotation mark, comma C2 colon C6 close parenthesis. Here, Excel checks the category range from B2 to B6, looks for the word furniture, and then averages the matching sales values from C2 to C6. Press enter and the result is 13,500. As a quick recap, sumif adds values that match a condition and averageif calculates the average of values that match a condition. You can easily replace electronics or furniture with any category in your own dataset, which makes these functions flexible and practical for reports, summaries, and everyday spreadsheet analysis. One helpful tip is to format the sales column as currency so the numbers are easier to read and look more professional. That can make your worksheet much clearer, especially when you're presenting totals and averages. And that's how to apply sumif and averageif formula in Microsoft Excel.